Research suggests that classic psychedelics reliably occasion intense mystical type experiences, and the magnitude of these subjective effects predicts enduring positive clinical outcomes. Psilocybin, the active compound in certain mushrooms, is the primary classic psychedelic utilized in modern double-blind laboratory research to trigger these states. This challenges the standard pharmacological model. Unlike traditional daily medications, the acute subjective experience itself acts as the primary therapeutic mediator. The scientific investigation of these states traces back to the early 1960s, notably through Walter Pahnke's double-blind experiments at Harvard University. To structure their observations, early researchers categorized the acute effects of psilocybin into a specific phenomenological typology. They identified core hallmarks of the state, including Category 3 for deep positive mood, Category 4 for sacredness, and Category 7 for ineffability. Today, scientists subject these states to rigorous scrutiny using a validated psychometric instrument called the 30-item Mystical Experience Questionnaire, or MEQ30. This document captures the nuances of the experience through four main factors: mystical, positive mood, transcendence of time and space, and ineffability. Utilizing the MEQ30 allowed the field to translate highly subjective spiritual language into standardized, quantifiable data points. This chart shows that mystical experiences are not random. They scale predictably based on the psilocybin dosage on the x-axis. As the dose increases from 5 to 30 milligrams, both the likelihood of a complete mystical experience and the total MEQ score rise in tandem. This flowchart represents systematic reviews of 12 clinical trials, demonstrating a strong association between high MEQ scores and long-term symptom reductions. This suggests that a single intense session can trigger shifts in behavior and outlook that persist for over a year. Clinical literature uses the term quantum change to describe these rapid, enduring transformations. Contemporary researchers acknowledge that the term mystical carries religious and perennialist biases that clash with objective scientific frameworks. Researchers increasingly use the secular metric of ego dissolution, which describes the breakdown of an individual's conventional sense of personal identity. Regardless of whether the state is framed as mystical unity or neurological ego dissolution, the acute intensity of the psychedelic experience remains its primary therapeutic driver.